So yeah, my people, a long time I really chat to the fantasy world. People, them good morning, good evening, and good night wherever you are in the world. Yes, may the mercy and grace of the Lord God be upon you. Yes, you don't know. All of the people them out there, you don't know Selassie the First. Big up on yourself. Empress men in the first. Big up on yourself, empresses and emperors out there. You don't know the things set. You don't go see some whole heap of shows, Jesse Royal. I wish I could see him in a show. But guess what? I see Kabaka Pyramid. Can you believe it? Kabaka P. You understand what I'm saying? Just cooler, man. We only got one word for them choppings, though. You understand, man? Massacre deal with the thing proper. But yeah, you know what I mean? It was nice meeting the brother still. Brother's a decent brother. I'm get some pictures and things, which I might upload. I may upload later. You know what I mean? It's personal. I don't really for public. You see me? I just my own satisfaction. You know what I mean? I'm a big fan of Kabaka P. So it's nice to see him. And then I saw, we saw Diggy, you know what I mean, which is Protoje, you know what I mean, and Diggy show was mad. And plus, I rate Diggy because we were shouting at the front of the crowd, you know what I mean, my woman and some other people was there, yeah? And then we shout him and he come over. He come over. You understand what I mean? And I rate that so much. I respect that he had time for his fans and stuff. And he was interacting with the crowd, you know what I mean? So I really enjoyed Protoje's show as well. You understand? I also saw Chronixx show. That show was kind of packed out, you know what I mean? Because you don't know. Some people come down there for the love and some people come down there for the like, for just catch picture of Chronixx. So you had a lot of people down there that wasn't really new wave reggae fans or reggae fans at all, you know what I mean? They just come down there because of the star and, you know what I mean? But that too was a good show. It was also a good show, you know what I mean? I saw Chronixx before. I enjoyed the show much more before. But because I enjoyed the Dread and Terrible mixtape, I kind of thought, alright then. It's like, it kind of like, I wanted to hear stuff from Dread and Terrible mixtape, you know what I mean? I just prefer when stuff is like more of a project than like an album or stuff like that, you know what I mean? It don't have to be an album, who cares? You know what I mean? Just make singles and compile them and make them into album. Yeah, who cares, you know what I mean? As long as the songs are good. You know what I mean? And then basically we're talking about Chronixx, so I go on to the Chronixxology, you know what I mean? I'm still listening to Chronixxology. You know what I mean? I haven't really given it enough time, you know what I mean? Because it's still fairly new, even though some of the tracks we know already, you know what I mean? Obviously, Majesty and Likes and, you know what I mean? Few things that been done in a different way, but we do have to respect the album because it was mostly Chronixx. You understand? So most of what you hear and most of what is written was Chronixx. You understand? Save a few tracks here and there. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So I'm still listening to it. I'm still researching it. So I don't really have a full evaluation of it yet. You know what I mean? Because this is music. I'm gonna let it grow on you. So you help you in the daily life. Then decide and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, you know what I mean? I saw Chronixx, Kabaka Pyramid. You know what I mean? And Diggy this summer, you know what I mean? And I was very happy, man. Very, very happy. You know what I mean? Because they all worth their money, really. You know what I mean? But I enjoyed Kabaka Pyramid show the most because I get to see him at the end. Innit? Yeah, I get to see him at the end. He signed my t-shirt. You don't even want to think it's joke, you know what I mean? When I do part 2 of this video, or later on I showed you that, yo, some serious stuff. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah? It's serious, you know? The man signed the shirt. You understand? Kabaka Pyramid in bad. You understand what I mean? And you have some new music come out as well, and then tough. If you understand, kind of like, me like the tune I call Can't Breathe still. Me still like that tune there, you know? Because sometimes I can't breathe, you know, knowing some boy, people out in the world, they're hungry and they can't read, they can't write, they can't really help just because they didn't get no help. You know what I mean? Stuff like that, you know what I mean? So we just talk about life today, music, and why we love it, you understand? And just remember to leave in the comments down below, say anything about life and music, how music affect your life, you know what I mean? What kind of songs you use to go through your day, you know what I mean? I love them commentaries there down there, you know what I mean? Right now, my 2 favorite songs now is one Chronixx acoustic, where it called Surviving. I live off that every day. I still listen to Chronixx Ain't No Giving In. Still listen to Kabaka Pyramid and Protoje doing Warrior Today, Warrior Tomorrow same way, you know what I mean? So, you know, so this one, you know what I mean? Big up to all my 86 subscribers. Blessing to you all. Blessing on your family. Blessing on, you know what I mean, the newest members of your family, the children, the future, you know what I mean? Blessing on everyone, you don't know, Blessing on the house, you understand what I'm saying? Everything like that, you know? Just keep it nice as I can. You don't know the thing set. So yeah, we continue on into the thing, you know what I mean? And I'm telling you, it was a wonderful summer. May I tell you, wonderful summer, you know what I mean? And then, plus, I grew a lot this summer, you know what I mean? Because a lot of wonderful things can happen and new and strange things can happen, you know what I mean? So it's growth, you know what I mean? And kind of self-motivation is how I'm feeling at the moment, and I just feel self-motivated, you know? So yeah, big up all the people who move in America. Big up on yourself, Americans. Yo, big up on yourself. People there, yes sir, right? That's in UK, England. Big up on yourself. People them in my birthplace. You don't know it's the best place. Don't make the place a disgrace, yeah? Big up on yourself, Jamaica. You don't know. You understand? Unstoppable runaway train. The greatest nation on the planet. The greatest young nation ever. You understand what I mean? So, big up on yourself. Because our nation is so small. We make the globe our own. You understand? And that's why people love the culture, because we shared it with people. People know about our canned saltfish. They know about we jerk chicken. They know about the ital food. They know about the steamed chalice. You know? They know about the Dennis Brown, the Bob Marleys. They know about these things. If you understand what I'm saying, because we share it. You know what I mean? And it's good to share your culture and be proud of your roots, wherever you're from. White, black, Chinese, however. Be proud of your roots, you know what I mean? Because a tree can't stand without its roots. You see me? Marcus Garvey. You see me? So, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? And just straight up love, you see me? One worldwide love. You understand? Like what Kabaka said, one worldwide. Yeah, one worldwide love to the whole of the people. You understand what I'm saying? I love me, I promote, because when I'm not feeling the love that I promote, then somebody who I promoted the love to can say, yo, Ras, not like how you're feeling today, no, cheer up. And that's why I push the love out there, you know? So when I need it myself, what a selfish man like me, yeah, when I need it myself, it's a together thing, it's a two-way stream. You know what I mean? I can hopefully get that reciprocal feeling from somebody else. You understand? So big up on yourself, people. You know what I mean? A long time I not chat the fantasy world. So I just go on easy and sit down and chill with them. You understand? I not talk about no other thing other from the new wave reggae fraternity at the moment. If you not check out Janine, please go and check out Janine. Don't ramp with Janine's Sizzler medley. Don't ramp with it. I've done reviews on it. Go check it out. You understand what I mean? It's sick. You understand? She's well talented, capable of her thing. You know what I mean? And you know, one of the empress them that is at the forefront of the new wave, you know what I mean, as the empress, you know what I mean, who's actually working hardest at the moment, you know what I mean, and the music is so spiritual. The music is so good, if you understand, you know what I mean. But I still like that tune there, about the bubble tune, you know what I mean, yeah. Big up Queen Africa said, well, she bad too, you know what I mean, Queen Omega, what heap of them a do it, you know what I mean. What that girl name again? What she said, Orange Peel, what's she name again? Yeah, one girl do one, said, ganja and orange peel. I think she called tough like iron or something like that. But she bad. Good ganja and orange peel. So it's on me, I tell you, she hard. But I like if all of the people from the new wave learn that the boy, you know, we love them bad. You understand what I mean? And they should keep a festival together. You know, a festival of friends. Just call it that. Festival of friends. Everybody who I mentioned so far come together and do a show. So people can just pay for one ticket, £20, and get everybody in it. You know what I mean? And get there full of reggae music. You know what I mean? See me looking to the side, I'm looking to the side to my reference. You know, my woman is there, you know what I mean? I'm just there to have her like, yo, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, you don't know the ticket set. You see me? You know? Behind every great man is a great woman, yeah? All them things that was spoken about. And, you know, for some say monogamy, some say polygamy. You know what I mean? I prefer to try, like how King Selassie I do it, and fail. Just one wife at a time, you know what I mean? But just I try. Just, you know? But just I listen to what Dawe Congo said, big up Dawe Congo. But just I try to love my wife and not to cheat and not to be like some little waste man. And, you know what I mean? Just try and build my thing, build my house on solid ground, you know what I mean? So just big up on yourself, people out there who believe into polygamy, big up yourself. But remember, you have to let the person and the receiving end of that, they have to agree with that polygamy stuff as well. Because me's not down with that, but at the end of the day, you understand, the next person, your partner, have to know, say, they're in an open relationship, you know what I mean? Because you can't bring in other disease and other things, or other feelings and other things into the relationship and such and such. You understand? So I just one of them things there, you know what I mean? We just a chat to her and, yeah man, drop on the comments down there, want to believe into polygamy or monogamy, you see me? It doesn't really matter, you know? It's just up to the individuals and if they're up to that. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah? And if both people know what's happening with the monogamy or polygamy, it is still fair if the people agree that that's what it is. If you understand. So yeah, but as a Rasta, as a man who's trying to practice his majesty precepts, which is a hard precept to follow. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? It show you how hard it is when you're practicing it. If you understand what I'm saying. So, you know, because the emperor had only one empress, I'm trying to practice that. You know what I mean? And I love the teachings of His Majesty. Bob Marley said we're supposed to practice the teachings of His Majesty, not a devil philosophy. You know what I mean? You know? Even though Bob Marley may have been a man who believe in polygamy, you know what I mean? Because obviously, you know, he had his wife and this and that. But, you know, each to their own and never judge. You know what I mean? Kind of thing like that, you know? Because if I choose to eat meat or not to eat meat, does that make me a better person? No. You understand what I'm saying? So this is the thing. You know what I mean? It's choice, you know? So we want to live in a world where there's equal rights and justice. And we love peace. And we love love. Once, you know what I mean? Once everybody feel like they can do what they want to do, and once they're not hurting nobody, like, just let them do what they want to do in it. You know? And that way can go say one more thing as well. Let them fight. Because you see all them wicked people here that love to kill one another and stuff. It need people to witness it. Just like history, World War II. Not everybody was fighting, so some man was there recording it, looking at it like, look at these fools killing each other every day. You know what I mean? So it need people who will bear eyewitness to things. If you understand what I'm saying. And now I'm bearing witness to the war. You understand what I mean? I'm not a part of no war. You understand? Because war, there's no end to war, obviously. Because since humanity been here, we always been fighting. World War I, World War II, Bosnia War, Serbian War, Cold War, Chechen War. So, you know what I mean? Right now, we just want some philosophy. No to nuclear. You understand? No to nuclear. Definitely, we can all agree on that. You understand? We don't want to wake up into some green sky and some people can't breathe. You see what happened in Chernobyl and all of that, and in Japan, the nuclear fallout. So we just talk to each other to the fantasy world. You know, whether you're a Christian, Sikh, Muslim, whatever it is out there. You understand? Blessed. As long as you practice what you're doing correctly, no one should care. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you practice something with love, no one not going to mind a little love. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah. And dark and light make up everything. You understand what I mean? Dark and light make up everything. And dark and light doesn't mean good and bad. You understand? It just means a balance of things is what make all things, you know? Yeah. Because the darkness is not bad. Because in the first place, according to like holy text like the Bible, it said darkness was upon the face of the deep before there was light. You understand what I mean? So just like how my face right now without the light would have looked dark. It would look so dark. You know what I mean? Yeah, when the light come on it now, it light up my face. Even though you can still see the darkness, the light, you understand, show you the shades and the tones and all of that. You know what I mean? So yeah, big up on yourself. One love. This is fantasy world, and you know that I hit you guys real hard and fast. If you understand what I'm saying. Big up on yourself. Big up all the people who stay tuned. You understand? Leave in a comment. I want to know. Also, how much I will subscribe, I want to comment and chat. Me more my thing turn into a chat room. Comment down below. You understand? You know what? Comment above. Because we're not even dealing with below. You know what? Bun that out there. You know, comment above. Up, sir. Up with thing there. No down, no below. You know if you comment, yeah? Up with thing there. So blessed my people, yeah? Because everybody who in tune to this channel, yeah? You are special. Remember me tell you that. Special. Out.